Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Spotify. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel is April 16th, 2021, and I just received another Spotify royalty payment. And if y'all follow my channel, if y'all subscribe to Yon World, y'all would know I do videos like this every single month. Every time I receive a Spotify payment, I make a video about it, so y'all can subscribe and go back and watch all of the other videos. But today, April 16th, we just received another payment from Spotify through Level Music, right? One of my favorite music distribution platforms, Level Music. And I just want to go over this royalty statement with y'all. I want to show y'all the different Spotify royalty payments for all of the different countries, and just show you how it differs between where the stream comes from, Spotify, and just give y'all some more game on Spotify. So make sure y'all watch the whole video. Definitely some valuable information in this video. So as y'all can see, we on my PayPal account, right? We on my business PayPal account, and this morning at 8:50 a.m. I received another payment from Level Music. Now if we go all the way over, you will see the gross amount of that payment was $818.44. So that's how much Level Music paid me out for my royalties for April 16th. Now, if we go in further to Level Music, right, and we go into my sales and payment, right, we in Level Music right now, and we stroll down for 2021, you will see I just got paid out for January of this year. So even though it's April, right, I got paid out for January. So that's something, you know, people still ask me to this day, like, when will you get paid, or how do you get paid through Spotify and music streaming in general, right? Anytime you upload a song, if you upload a song today and you get 100,000 streams, you won't see the money from that until 3 months later, right? That's for every music distribution service. Spotify, Apple Music, Napster. Tidal is a little different. Tidal, I think they really need to update how they pay out royalties to artists, but Tidal pays out like once a year, and they give you all of your royalties at once. It's probably once every 6 months, but that's how it feels like with Tidal. Like, you get paid out once a year. So with Spotify, Apple Music, Napster, Amazon Music, right, it's always a 3-month delay on your royalties. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, if we stroll down, you will see this statement again, right? Monthly amounts with the asterisk are not final. Revenue could take up to 120 days to be received from the storage. So this is something to keep in mind when y'all running promotion to your Spotify songs. And another thing to keep in mind is the 28-day streaming cycle. So the first 28 days of every month is a streaming cycle. So if you receive streams after that 28 days, it's rolled over into the next royalty statement. So that's something y'all got to keep in mind, because a lot of people don't see their royalties to the next royalty statement because of the time which they started promotion, or the time which they got streams. You know, they don't see their royalties until later. So that's something to keep in mind. So if we stroll down, right, hold on. Right, you will be able to see all of the Spotify streams I got for this month, right, for April. This is my Spotify royalty statement. Now, on this statement, you will be able to see where the streams came from, what country, the amount of streams, and how much they paid me. So right here at the top, if we look at the top, you can see for 4 streams from South Africa, right, 4 streams from South Africa paid 0.007, you know, for those 4 streams. That's how much I got paid out for 4 streams. While 1 stream from, I don't even know the name, I can't even pronounce that, 1 stream from this country pays out 0.002. So that's something to keep in mind. Spotify does not have a set royalty rate, right? I'm gonna make a video about Apple Music. I just got this email from Apple Music I want to send to y'all, because y'all know I'm signed to Apple Music. I know that's another story, but on this video, we're gonna keep it on Spotify. But as you can see, like, Spotify they don't have a set royalty rate. They pay different amounts for each country. If we keep strolling down, you can see for 13,000 streams from the United States, right, we got $49. 13,000 streams, we got $49 from the United States. Now, one stream from this country, let's see what country this is, Taiwan. One stream from Taiwan is 0.003, right? While one stream from this country is 0.002, and 4 streams from South Africa is 0.007. So Spotify royalties fluctuate. They fluctuate every month. They fluctuate depending on the country, depending on where the stream is coming from, depending on if it's a free tier or a premium tier. There's so many different factors, right? That's why on my website I have earning disclaimers now, because so many different factors in the Spotify royalties, right? Keep strolling down, you will see all of the different payments, the different amounts, right? Let's see, one stream from Norway is worth 0.008, so that's pretty good. You know, that's almost 1 cent per stream from Norway, right? While one stream from Japan is 0.0001, right? So that's crazy. That's crazy. We keep strolling down, you will see all of the different amounts, right? Great Britain, pretty sure. United Kingdom, 69 streams, we got 41 cents, right? 30 streams right here from France, we got 15 cents. And all of these streams add up to $818, right? Let's keep strolling down. You'll see, like, let's look at these 3 countries, right? Let's look at this just for an example on how Spotify pays different depending on what country it comes from. You know, they don't have a set royalty rate. So if we look at Spotify right here from the Czech Republic, right, you see one stream is worth 0.004, but one stream from Costa Rica is 0.0007, right? Now, another country, Colombia, one stream is 0.001. So Spotify royalties fluctuate, as y'all can see, right? Got some Amazon streams mixed up in there. Trying to find a big one from Spotify. We can see 800 streams from Canada, $3.28. Another 475 streams from Canada, $1.60. $11K streams from the US, $40. $40 for 11K from the US. Here go 2 different countries again, Taiwan and Thailand. Taiwan pays way more than Thailand, right? Another Canada play, 300 streams for $1. 5K streams from Spotify, $16 for 5K streams. So yeah, that's my Spotify report. I just wanted to go over this with y'all just to show y'all how much Spotify paid me out for April, right? It paid me out $818, right, for the month of April. But this royalty statement, right, is for January. Right, even though I got paid out in April, this money is from January, right? So just letting y'all know. And just to give y'all a quick update on the Spotify method, right? As of April 16th, all orders have been fulfilled. If you have any issues with your order, feel free to send me an email at info.yonworld.org. That's info@yonworld.org. Excuse me. But all orders are being fulfilled. So you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate all the support. I'm out. Peace.